What's up YouTube? What is good YouTube? It's your boy Kanzibi right here with another video. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an Afrobeat. Do sure to stick in the video, stick right in the video so you can be able to know how I make my Afrobeat. And then do not forget to like, subscribe if you're new. Make sure to subscribe. Every subscription counts because I need that subscription. And click that notification button so you can get notified for my next video. Hey, let's get to today's video. I have this melody I made. I exported it out and then put it back in FL Studio. It's on we are on 117 BPM right now. I'm gonna play the melody for you guys to listen. So I'm going to chop it out, chop this section out and chop this section out, so I'll have different sections of the beat. Then I think I'm going to repeat this up to 9 bars. Repeat every part to 9 bars. Okay, like 8 bars. I said 9. 8 bars. So I can have, there can be a repetition right in the beat. So now let's get to the drums part. Let's make some banging drums for Afrobeat. Delete all this. Delete this. Let's go to the drums. I think I have let's add some shakers. I think I like this one. Button 2. So I'll have this repeating itself. It will be a repetition of this. Then open the piano roll. I'm gonna stretch that, make this 8 bars. Delete this. Whenever you're making your Afrobeat, you want to make sure you have the shaker first so that it will be the standard of your beat. And then I'm going to add a rim shot. For this video I'm going to add 2 rim shots, to make everything sound good. So I'm going to add a rim. Okay. Once I have this, you can just repeat everything. Repeat this. Sorry. Sorry for this. Just repeating this. Okay. I want to make a roll right here. Let me see. Okay, I want to make a roll right here. Sorry. So I'm going to press Alt U. Chop this. Like it like this. I'm still going to repeat this somewhere here. Repeat this. Yeah, I'm going to add this rim. Control C, copy. Control V, I paste it. take this down a little. You can hear how it goes right now. Right next, I'm going to add a kick. Take the kick down, put it every 4 step. You can see how it's already, you know, transforming into an Afrobeat. So next up, I'm going to add, you know, some perks. I think this will fit in just fine. So let's listen. Yeah, I think I like it like this. So let's just repeat this. Copy this whole thing. Repeat it once more. So now I think I'm going to add a clap, a very, you know, unusual clap. Drums. I think I like this clap. So what am I going to do with the clap? So I think I like it here. Then, you know, same thing, same process over and over. I have to repeat all this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna add a bongo. I think I'm gonna add one more clap. Sorry. Nah. Okay, I like this. So let's listen. Hey. So I think I'm gonna, you know, make use of this clap. Well, I don't know where to put it. So I'm going to add this clap. Now I think, oh sorry, undo. I don't like it that way, I like it this way. Yeah, so it will repeat itself. Okay, I'm gonna delete this, take this. So now I'm going to add the bass melody. I'm going to use Nexus for this. Open Nexus. Go to the bass. So I'm going to use. Yeah, I like this one. Take it down a little. got where I'm gonna, place my bass melody. It's not coming a bit together. Okay, so I'm gonna move to the bass melody. I'm gonna add Nexus, open Nexus, then move to bass. I'm gonna add this, my favorite one for whenever I'm making Afrobeat. I think it's this one. Reduce the volume a little. Okay, so let me find what's right. I think I like it's good right here. Okay. Okay, I think. I'm gonna make it this way. So just repeat it, repeat this, repeat the drip, Control B, repeat everything. Sorry, shift this. So I think I need something high pitched. I'm gonna use a vocal chop. I have some vocal chop from right here. I think I'm gonna use a red one. I think I like this. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Okay. Control B, shift this. I do not want to make it, just be the same, so I'm gonna do something different with the last part here. Okay, Control B, then shift. Some things are too loud, take some things down. I think the kick is loud a little. The melody is mostly loud, so I think I'll add one more. I'll add something, but I don't know what it is. I just feel I'm supposed to add something. Let's see. Let me see. Okay, this is good. I'm just gonna repeat what I have in the bass melody with this V, but I'm just quantize it so it starts at every point. So now that we are done, what you do now is, what I'll do now, sorry, is I'll just split every channel, everything individually, split this, split this, and then this, bring it down, bring this down a little, bring this down. I think that's all. Now I'm gonna let you guys listen to the beat.
It's Kanzi the Badman producer.
That's the end of this beat making tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys learned, and I hope you guys understood everything I said in this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, do not forget to subscribe. Let's go.